Heidi ho, all you wonderful people out there. How's it all going? This is a United States quarter dollar. And this one is from Oklahoma. There's a song there somewhere, isn't there? Oklahoma. I'm sure there's a song there. Come on, Bear. What's the song, man? Oklahoma. Or is it a movie? I don't know. Right, first of all, I've got a punch hole in it. So, let's do that. Quite a nice looking coin. Hope everybody's doing well today. Let's go with one and only, gorgeous as ever. Looking sexy today. There she is, Big Bertha. Big Bertha. Oh, she's leaking on me again. Yeah. I have this effect on Big Bertha. See, she's dribbling on me again. Right. Another lovely day here today. I'm so tempted to get the shorts on. Right, we just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's clean. And this is Christy Burr. Right, she's looking rather good. This is copper clad. See that little hint of copper there? Right, let's show a bit of love for Bernie. Okay. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. You can even send me your own coins. I'm trying to think of that bloody song, Oklahoma. I think it was a movie. Come on, Bear, tell me what's going on, man. Right, we want to go with, I think we want to go with Oklahoma on the sunny side up on the ring. So if you're from Oklahoma, I've got a quarter coin ring for you, hopefully. Unless it splits on me, which it shouldn't do. This is a 17-degree folding die. Yeah, I was pretty impressed with your 2 shillings you made, Gary. Your 2 shilling ring. Came out nice, mate. Oh yeah, butter. I've got my window open slightly because it's quite warm in here. It's quite windy. I don't know if you can hear the wind rushing by. Lovely sound. There you go. Right. Some kitchen roll would be nice, wouldn't it? Let's go over to Mr. Spike. Right. And this little gadget stretches your ring. Right. Give Give it a bit of a turn each time, stretches it equally all the way around. This isn't going to be a massive ring. My darling just brought me in another roll of kitchen roll. Thank you, sweetness. What would I do without you? I'll probably go down the pub or have some fun, maybe. What do you reckon? She's lucky she's got me. I've only got her. Right. There we go. Let's get some white. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah. Right. I don't think we need to heat it up anymore. But I will take this one out and put this one in. And we just want to straighten the walls up a bit. There we go. That fits just lovely. Look at that, walls are nice and straight. Is that a crack there? No. It's funny, some of these coins you think there's a crack, but it's just part of the coin. I promise you that's not cracked. It looks like it though, doesn't it? But it's part of the design. But let's have a look with the BDI. I tell you what, I think it go a little bit back. Just a touch. There you go. There's a little bit of a lip inside, which you want to get rid of, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. See that little lip there? Get it out. If you'd like to do me a big favour, if you'd like to hit that like button, and even there's a little subscribe button down there, if you was to hit that for me, you'd then be automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day. I'm pretty good at the moment. I miss the odd day. There you go. That's pretty good. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. Let's get rid of Elton John. Stick in Kate Bush. She's still looking pretty good. I think I'll polish this one. Oh! Where did that go? Okay, I'm back. I found it. Right, where was we? Let's just take out the one and only Kate, sticking Felton John. Give it a bit of polish. Let's see what happens. Oh, I'm pretty impressed with this polish, I must admit. I prefer it to the other one now. Ouch. Right. What we got? I've got Kate Bush stuck in the old cloth there. That's come up really shiny. Shiny, happy people. Great track. It ain't rock and roll, but it's a bloody good track. There you go, folks. On Oklahoma. US quarter coin ring. 2008. What size we got? The old USA magic wand. This is a size 8. This is a size 9. Size 9. So if you're looking for a quarter coin ring, I've got one, Oklahoma. There you go, folks. It fits this finger perfectly. Have a great day, and I'll catch you later. Tubby, bye-bye.